What's up, pups? Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. We've missed you. A lot's happened since we saw you last. Bitcoin almost reached all-time highs, and the markets are absolutely euphoric. My name is St. Wolf. Welcome to my channel. Let's go look at some charts today. All right, here we go. We got the Pulsechain bubbles up. Let's see what's happening. We got Mike dropped 40%. Pulse Bitcoin is happening 36%. Look at that. And Serial, I don't know what Serial is. TBI is up 20%. Aave, P-Aave, 25%. Let's go look at some, what is this? IMPLS, I don't know, is down 22%. P-Maker is up 27%. Okay, so first thing we should look at should be Serial, because I want to know what this is. Serial, let's go check it out. Serial. Okay, that must be the one, huh? PC Serial. Okay. Anyone heard of this? Let's go look at their Twitter. It's been out since the summertime. And it is on fire. This looks really good. You've got looks like it formed a type of possible left shoulder head, right shoulder. Looks like it's ripping. Have no idea what this is. Let's see. Serial, anything come up? PC, okay. Onboarding, let's get started. Pulse Serial is granting an opportunity for one fortunate person to win 100,000 Serial tokens by transitioning to Pulsechain and purchasing the Serial token. What in the name of God is the Serial token? On the radar, Pulse Serial is low cap reflection token. Okay. Pulse Serial. Okay, so this came out over the summer. There was a lot of hype around it. Pulse Serial, what's this? Should we listen? Can you guys hear this? There's nothing to hear. Okay, let's go here. Let's just go to there. Pulse Serial. We sprinkle meme coin magic into every bite. Well, I like meme coins. Hyperdeflationary reflections token. What do you get reflected? You getting reflected Serial? Okay, well, let's look at the chart. All right, let's see what's going on the daily. It's ripping. Looks good. Looks like they've maintained a uptrend, whatever this is going on over here. Okay. Looks fine. It's been kind of going up. It had started to break down, so if you were in this, you might have panicked a little bit because it came back, but when it retested, it just blasted right through. See? So, let's just see this basic stuff. Let's see what's going on. What's the market cap here? So it's 105,000, so this is quite small. Looks like it might have doubled. RSI is almost overbought at this point. And you can see what was happening here. You definitely would have gotten faked out here. Looks like we made a beautiful cup and handle on the MACD as well as right here in the chart. And so you are up quite a bit. That's quite a move. That's cool. The chart looks good. It held. It's just been a constant uptrend since October. So this would have been something good to find. I had never heard of this before. Let's go ahead and save this in our watch list and keep an eye on it. Okay. And I'll fix this later. That's it. Nothing to see here. Let's go now. Let's look at P-Aave. Dying to see what's going on here. Okay. So. How are they spelling this? constant problem with volume. Okay. P Ave. So maybe I just have to go Ave/Pulse. Let's find it here. Okay. Let us see. So it's a 3.3 million market cap. So this is the Pulse copy of your Aave on Pulsechain. Most of you guys might have had Aave. I don't think I did, actually. I actually sacrificed my Aave for PulseX. So I know I don't have Aave. It looks good. Looks like we made a nice bottom here. This is since December, and it's been on this constant upward move. Got left shoulder, head, right shoulder possibly. Might be moving up. It is broken out. Target's probably going to be up around here. No, do you want to measure it? Okay. I do these really quick. You guys can write down below if you want me to do any token and do it like really in depth, because I do these really fast because I'm not actively trading this. So I'm just kind of get a rough idea of what's going on. So cool. So I want to keep an eye on this. And P Maker also broke out. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, 15 million. Oh, wow. Look at this move. When did this break out? Let's see. So this was January. So this broke out there. So since the near. Oh, wow. Nice. Almost a 7x on that. And it's a beautiful cup and handle. Got a full rejection here. This looks quite bullish. Maker. I feel like these ran at the end of the bull run last time too. So we'll keep an eye on this. Let's see what else is going on. So we may be nearing the end. Okay, I wanted to show you guys Mike. You guys know Mike. It's been really popular. It's getting reflections in ink, which is fantastic. But here is the chart. Okay, I want to play this clip from a video I made yesterday. Actually, you can see this is from March 4th. And I'm going to play you guys what I said. It's great. I'm already earning INC. I think we could come back down here or here. Yeah. Yeah, I think it would be healthy if we came in and came through here a little bit before going up again. But look, one of those, I was pointing right there, right? Right on the dot. Exactly as predicted. All right. So we're going to consolidate here, but actually what's going to happen next, a lot of people go into denial. We're going to fill this, but I think we're going to fill this whole range. Okay. Now, I also said in the video that there was a chance that we come down here, but I think because people are getting rewards and incentive, everybody wants it. I think there's just enough people that will hold on to this. So we're going to fill this. And that's just fine. That's fine. Absolutely fine. You can buy more. It looks like you're getting good rewards. I'll make a video on that, see how many rewards I'm getting. Let's come over here and look at what else. Let's look at Pulse Bitcoin. That's down 35%. What happened there? Let's see. PLSB. Okay. Pulse. Okay. So. Ooh, yeah. That took a nice dump. That's a pretty serious dump. So the uptrend is I did draw this line here. I do think we're coming here. Okay, to 2 cents. Where'd it come to? It came to 2.2. Okay. So I have a feeling this is going to fill before we go up, but we'll have to keep an eye on it. I don't know. There's not enough volume here to really be able to do anything. We are kind of we were in an uptrend, as you saw. Okay. If I go from here, that uptrend has been smashed. Okay. But we are holding here, which is kind of the which is the last place. I mean, this needs to hold. Okay, that doesn't need to do anything. And then there was another one, Pulse PLSB on Ethereum. So this one looks like it's gaining some support and strength. Okay, it has held this line in the sand. It's on its way up. I need it to break. Jesus, really needs to get past 6 cents to start making sense. But this is good. These are all good signs. Okay. Let's see what else was going on. TBI. TBI is awesome. Another bear project. I always click on that thing. It's going to go to Dex Trainer. So it's up 20%. Let's take a look. I have that open. TBI. Let's see. This is adorable. I like their graphics. Look what's going on. I think the teddy bear projects are all going to do great. We'll also go look at bear in 1 second. So this is consolidating. This is a pretty major dump. Some wallets looks like they exited for whatever reason. I think this is a good project because the meme, the bear, and I think it's going to do just fine in the long run. But this never had one. This never had a dump. Look, it just took off from here. It should have had something, and it never did. It never retested this. And I would take this. This might be where we're going to consolidate for a little bit. So this might be your checkup, but we could blast off at any moment out of here because it's tiny market cap and bears are very popular. They're going to be very popular this cycle. And remember, just to be clear, you got to remember it never had its what else did it? Even PTGC. Let's look back. We're going to look at this in a minute. See, you've got these at the beginning. You have something, okay, and then you can see PTGC in November. You could look at this massive run up and then unbelievable dump, and you've got it perfectly right off the top of the support, okay? TBI never had that yet. It just went into the descending wedge and went up non-stop forever. So this is really healthy. It needed one of these, and it's gonna find its legs and run from here. So let's go ahead and draw a little rectangle because this is going to fill, and it could fill all the way to here. It could happen. It's possible, all right? It's very possible. And then it'll blast off, and it could blast off very fast, okay? I'm not saying it's gonna be down there forever. Let's take a ZK, ZX, a lot of hype around this. I did make some good trades on that one. ZK, ZX, because I don't go out on Saturdays anymore. I'm here all the time. I don't leave the computer. I'm here all the time. So I caught this one early and then rode it up for a good 4 or 5X. Same thing, see, just like the TBI, or what were we looking at? Even Mike, any of these, they need one of these, okay? Now this looks like an excellent place to buy more. I sold most of mine around here. I might reload this. Okay, that looks good. Looks really healthy. It's come down. It's going to consolidate. It's finding its place. I don't think we're going to go much lower than this. This is a great, excellent place to fill your bag some more. Okay. Where we need to be. Okay. Went a little lower than I expected, to be honest, but that's fine. Okay. What else do you want to look at? Mintra. What was that? I remember sacking for that. Let's see. Yeah, obviously I've been watching it closely. So I think I had a bad feeling about it, so I just dumped it. We'll just keep an eye on it. Okay. This for FTV at 4.6 million. That's such a amount of liquidity. We should look at this one more closely. This, yeah. I don't know what to make this right now. We don't have a lot of transactions. And trading volume here, there's just not much to see. Not a lot of interest right now. So people keep selling it. Okay, we need to look at, we did Mike. What's this? IMPLS, I have no idea. IMPLS, IMPLS, is that what that's saying? V1, V2, what is this? Okay, it went up. We needed to retest this and it's doing it right now. I don't know what this is. IMPLS, is this, can we check it out? Well, that's it. It's about where it's gonna come down to. We may hang out a little while longer. If we have an altcoin run, this could pick up from here. But if you were trading this, this would be a spot to jump in. Let's see. Looked at Pulse Serial, IMPLS, Finance, Yield Aggregator, and Farming Protocol on Pulsechain. Auto compound your farming rewards and gain bonus rewards with vaults. Okay. Impulse. So that's the thing for it there. Okay, it's one of these. This reminds me of like RoboCop. I like it. It's cool. It's simple. I just don't know much about it. If you guys know anything about it, you know, put it down below. I'll research it, or if you want to do a deep dive on it, I'll look into it very closely. All right. So what else do we want to look at? TBI looked at parties up 10%. Blast is still being ripped to pieces here. NBA is down 10%. I mean, the other NBA never broke any more. The 414 project. INC is down another 5% today. As long as PulseX is down 10%. Bear is up 10%. Let's see what we look at Bear. Let's go look at Bear. We love bears, don't we? Yeah, bears are good. Let's see what's doing. Oh, okay. It was about to break down. It kind of like hopped back in here. Okay. So that's fine. We're still in an uptrend. This one is looking good, looking just fine. You know? MACD's turning around. Let's look at the 3-day. It could be forming let's see in the 4-hour. Trending down while this is going up. I mean, there's definitely a little bit of bearish divergence. You know, it's slowly losing a little bit of energy. The volume coming back to grab these is not super strong to come back above this support. So it's possible this could break. And if it does, it's coming down to here. Okay. Yeah. Around this range, I would think. Okay. So what else we want to look at? Time down 12%. Pepe, P Pepe is on fire. Let's see what's going on here. I did not get any P Pepe. Pepe. This Pepe on 2.71 billion. This is done. This is coming down. Okay, this is Pepe on ETH. I don't know. I wasn't in this. This looks like it's completed. It's probably gonna consolidate a little bit. People are gonna think there's more, and then it's gonna come. I would think. Is this one we're looking at? Oh, that's right, Pepe. Okay. This is the Pepe. We need to find Pepe on Pulse. All right, $7.5 million market cap. It's okay. Yeah, it's in an uptrend. We like that. We like uptrends. Uptrends are our friends. Yeah. So we're still growing. Okay, Pulsechain. I mean, there's definitely been some moves, but Com is down 10%. PZen. Should we look at PZen? Who wants a good laugh? Let's see. Come on. Come on. Let's be nice to the Zanians. PZen. Let's see. Wow. Wow. Oof. Oh, man. Good Lord. So it does this, because I've charted this before. It can't keep an uptrend. You can see it makes these patterns. I've seen this before. It'll make an uptrend and smash it. It'll start, and it'll smash it. And it does this over and over again. And you can only assume it's going to continue to do it because, well, there's very little demand. And the volume stays up. I guess it prints. I don't know a whole lot about it. See, it makes these uptrends and smashes, uptrend smashes, uptrend smashes. It just keeps going. It's like a down forever. Down and to the right forever and ever. Let's look at the log chart. Yeah, see. Volume. I'm going to look at the, just curious. All right. So I have to put this in log. Man, this is bad. This is bad. It is so bad. Wow. I can't believe any economic energy went into this. I mean, what a sad waste of economic energy. So this tells me that it's actually collapsing further and further and deeper, and the acceleration of its collapse is growing. I don't know how there's so much interest in this. Like, I don't understand it. I don't understand it. Okay. Let's see. Easy. What's easy? All right. Easy. Oh, we got to see PTGC. That's right. That's a big one. Easy. Easy swap. Yeah. Okay, cool. Oh. Okay, there's very little interest here. Here's a little volume. Is this a new exchange? I don't know anything about it. Easy swap. Native DEX on Pulsechain. Well, that's kind of cool. Oh, that's not good. I have really good security. I trust it, but I've asked. It's kept me out of a lot of trouble, so I just don't go. Okay, I want to show you PTGC because it's important to also see what's going on here. So PTG has been amazing. I mean, this is an incredible project, incredible tokenomics. I'm excited to be in this one. We are breaking down, okay? And I want to play this clip from a video I made just yesterday on targets and where we're headed on it. Cool. So, so I had already measured this out. We're breaking from head and shoulders, guys. Pretty standard. Looks like we're already starting, okay? So here you got right shoulder, head, left shoulder. And target is right there. Which, to be honest, is going to come down to the top of this range, okay? Okay, so that was just yesterday, March 4th, 2024. Let's go look over BTGC. It is big bun, exactly as predicted, okay? I still have the lines from yesterday. And this is totally healthy. This was an incredible run up. You need to test some of these, okay? You need to test some of these, okay? It's very healthy. So this is the range. And I said yesterday it's going to come to the top of this. I think it's going to come down and fill this. Now, it's a strong enough project where it could hold. The tokenomics are phenomenal. But in all fairness, don't be shocked if it comes lower, but that would be mostly if there's big market issues, okay, a market crash, a lot of weakness in the market, because this is a very strong project. This is a very good chart. This is absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful chart. If you're in this, great. I'm in this. I'm very happy with it. It's an incredible project. And I don't expect it to come down here except for a huge market issue, okay? So we're probably looking at this range right here. This is gonna be your next accumulation range, okay? So, and that's a good zone. I don't know if it comes, but I think I don't think it's coming to this one, but there is a chance we could come here if it breaks this. So I'll just draw something so you guys can see it. But don't, because this is a great project, don't be too greedy. I could have had a lower price target on this, but I didn't realize, oh, hello. I didn't realize how great the tokenomics was until because I was just so busy. I didn't do as much research as I should have done. This is this is a little weak right here. This could fill a little bit. We could come down, come up, and then smash here, consolidate, and take off. And we would be completely fine if that happened. It would be completely fine. I mean, we pretty much hockey sticked, okay? So, oh, look, I already had that. I didn't even know. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Where I just put that purple box is a 236. So that's very likely that can happen to any altcoin imaginable. And this purple box is right around the 0.5. So this is beautiful. We're looking really great. PTGC. Anything else happened since we were gone? Yeah. Do me a favor, everybody. Just give it a thumbs up down below. Any questions you have, put them down below. Any requests you have, put them down below. We're looking good. Should we go look really quick at BTC? Oh, let's look at our friends first. Where are we at? Inc. Inc. has smashed into the resistance, which had become support, which broke. But guys, this has done a major, massive move. It is still a farming token at a point in its life where the inflation is quite high, or which is early on, okay? So don't think this is gonna moon tomorrow. You know, that people are still farming this. People have to dump it, they have to trade it for other things. It's also connected to the liquidity of Pulse and what have you. So I do think it's a phenomenal token, better than what most people realize. The tokenomics are actually really cool, but just with people aping into it the way they did, it was a little over the top, you know. So it has fallen back in here. I can't tell you what it's going to do. There's a lot of mania right now for INC. So, but technically, if it just stays in this channel, if it's come back in and doesn't break back up and hold above, we're still healthy. We're still in an uptrend, okay? So it looks really good. Pulse has also done a very similar thing. I haven't decided yet whether we're in an ascending wedge or we're in also a similar thing like Inc. with a channel here. But either way, it has hit that on the nose and it's come back down. As long as we stay in this channel, we're just fine. It's a good place for people to trade it if they want. But we're looking good. Nothing wrong. Obviously, there's definitely bearish divergences. The uptrend is getting a little weaker. Okay. Let's see if we see it here too. So, no, INC looks quite bullish. INC is very bullish, but at the same time, our metrics are quite high. I mean, it's definitely overbought. Okay, that's what I'm saying. It's just overbought. This uptrend is slightly weakening. It's healthy. It's fine. Nothing wrong with it. You want to see PLS X? PLS X. Come over here. Okay. So it's an ascending. Once again, you know, do we want to look at this like a channel or some kind of wedge formation? There's really no right answer at this point, okay? There's no right or wrong answer. Either way, we're moving up. They're both moving upward, whether it's a wedge or a channel. Awesome oscillator is moving down. RSI is also losing strength. So we got bearish divergence either way. So I don't know how long we're going to stay in this channel. That's a nice juicy candle right there. Somebody sold a lot. I think somebody just recently did some on-chain on Pulsex. Was it? Yeah, you can see there's a lot of volume coming in on that sell. So we'll have to find out what's going on. But technically, we're still in an uptrend, higher lows. Almost higher highs. Still good. BTC. Woo. Okay. This could be a reversal up here. We're at 65,129. We could use some time to cool down, but you know what? I don't think anybody has any idea what's going to happen anymore. BTC has completely separated itself from reality. It is just completely irrational, and the market can be irrational longer than you can stay solvent, and that is very true. So don't try to predict this. Anybody giving you 5 waves, this, blah, blah, blah. It's over this and overbought and over that. You know, it's been overbought for ever. It's still going up, okay? So if you're in it, keep trading it. If you're going to jump in, be careful. Swings could be pretty brutal. There are some pretty massive moves around here. And this is going to determine a lot about what happens next for us, isn't it? Where are we at? We touched that all-time high. Is it a triple top? I don't know. I don't see a nasty reversal yet. Look deeper in here. It's doing a very similar thing, isn't it? I remember then it went up slightly, and then we got. It's gonna do the exact same thing. Some smaller candles. We'll keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on it. Anyway, thanks for sticking around, everybody. It's great to see you. Hope you learned something. Any questions? Anything you want? Put it down below. Tell me your dreams. Tell me your fears. We'll talk about it. And stick around. We'll have some more updates later.